Most portable audio is a compromise, an exercise in planned obsolescence. The niche is flooded with units that sound decent in only one perfect orientation. Lay them on their back, hang them from a branch, and the audio profile collapses. The bass muddies, the clarity vanishes. It is an accepted and frankly lazy engineering failure. A product that requires constant user adjustment is a product that fundamentally disrespects your time. This Bose unit, however, demonstrates a sliver of industrial integrity. The technical soul of this device is not its battery nor its wireless protocol. It is its internal orientation sensing, what their marketing team calls PositionIQ technology. Inside the silicone-wrapped chassis is a system, likely a gyroscopic sensor array, that constantly measures the speaker's pitch, roll, and yaw. It then uses a dedicated processor to remap the equalization in real time. Placed upright, it projects forward. Laid flat, it radiates upward with a balanced profile. Hung from its utility loop, it adjusts to prevent acoustic distortion. This is not a gimmick. This is a direct return on investment. It buys back the time and mental energy you would otherwise waste finding the sonic sweet spot. The fidelity you paid for is delivered consistently, regardless of placement. This is the definition of efficiency. Your investment in clear, balanced, high-fidelity audio is secured by an intelligent system, not left to chance. Of course, it meets the other benchmarks. The IP67 rating means it is impervious to dust and can be fully submerged. Its durable body is built to absorb drops and impacts. The 12-hour battery is adequate for a full day's work or leisure, and the Bluetooth 5.3 connection provides a stable link up to 30 feet. But these are table stakes. The true value is in the adaptive audio engine, a feature that proves some engineers still build things to perform correctly, not just cheaply. I put the link below so you can check the current 2026 price in stock on Amazon.